Hey guys, Anthony with the Rag Company, and in today's FAQ video, we're going to be answering the question, what can and can't I use solution finish on? So we're answering that question and more in today's FAQ video. All right, so Solution Finish is known as one of the best trim restorers on the detailing market today, and it's been around for quite some time, meaning that it's made a pretty big impact within the detailing industry. But what makes this product so good? Well, to start, it's a very proprietary blend that Chris West has created himself that's not only going to condition that plastic or rubber, but it's also going to restore it to its OEM look. Now, what I like about Solution Finish is that it's a semi-permanent product, meaning that you put it on, it's going to last for maybe 6 months to a year, and then you can reapply it. Whereas maybe some other ceramic coatings out there will not allow you to do that because it seals up all of the plastic and all the rubber pores within that trim. Whereas this is going to restore it, hold that look for a long period of time, but will still allow you to touch up as needed down the road. Now, Solution Finish is going to be a black product, meaning the second you pour this out, yes, it's going to be colored, so it's going to get your hands messy. Make sure that you wear gloves. Now, they also have the Fusion Gray color, which is going to be designed for gray trim. So black for black trim, gray for gray trim. Now, what kind of things can you use Solution Finish on? Well, I start with textured plastic. Textured plastic is going to be really common on a lot of cars and a lot of trim work. So when you look at that texture on there, if it's maybe small texture or even big texture, this is typically going to be able to dive into the pores of that and be able to restore it. Now, when you have an extremely smooth trim, now most smooth trim is typically rubber based, that's where you're going to have to do a test spot to see if it actually works on it. Sometimes some of that rubber trim is so tight and there's such a lack of pores in there that the product cannot penetrate as it's needed. So you can try it on interior door panels, do a test spot first. You can try it on other interior plastics. So textured plastic, number one thing you can use it on. Rubber trim, you can use it on that as well. But things I don't recommend it on is going to be tires. Some people think that rubber, it's going to work to bring that back. I wouldn't put it on your tires. I don't think it sticks extremely well, and it doesn't look right. So don't put it on your tires. Other things I don't recommend putting it on are going to be certain things like your interior floor mats. Some people have done this in the past, and I have done it myself. However, it was not designed for that purpose, and you don't want to add any extra type of oils to those floor mats, especially when you're driving with them. You don't want your foot to slip out and cause a problem, or maybe you miss the brake or miss the gas pedal. You don't want that either. Hopefully that helps you learn a little bit more about Solution Finish. It's an amazing product. It's been around for quite some time, and it's going to stick around for quite some time because it really is the best in the business. So hopefully you guys learned something new in today's FAQ video. And as always, thanks for watching and have a great day.